Israel is the reason we are weak. Israel is why we have poverty. Israel is why the Arab world is failing. I was asked, you as a Moroccan Arab Muslim activist, why do you care a lot about Israel? Why do you talk a lot about Israel? Let me tell you something personal, something that took me a while to finally admit and ever longer to understand. I grew up proud to be Moroccan, proud to be Arab, proud to be Muslim, but somewhere along the way, I felt like my identity was stolen. It was stolen not by Israel, not by the Jews, not by the West. It was stolen by Arab regimes and by Arab nationalism in the mid-20th century. These regimes that hijacked our entire region and replaced our real identity with one single obsession. We must destroy Israel. You see, we were never given a shared Arab dream. No shared economic projects. No shared scientific vision. No shared cultural renaissance. No. Our only common goal, the only thing that united 22 Arab states, 300 million people, was the destruction of a country the size of New Jersey. That became our identity. Not who we were building, but who we were hating. A region that built nothing because it was waiting to destroy Israel first. From the 1950s onward, Arab nationalism promised us glory. From Nasser, Baathism, Gaddafi, Saddam, they all told us Israel is the reason we are weak. Israel is why we have poverty. Israel is why the Arab world is failing. And we believed them. We believed them so deeply that we poured all our money, our politics, our education, our media, our institutions into the dream of defeating Israel. Meanwhile, millions of Arabs were living under dictatorships. Our economies collapsed. Our schools became propaganda machines. Our youth lost hope and opportunity. And our societies, from Syria to Iraq to Yemen to Libya, fell apart from the inside. And yet, we keep saying, just wait. Once we destroy Israel, everything will be fine. We spent 70 years building a political identity around someone else's destruction. And we never realized that we were destroying ourselves. We were destroying our youth. We were destroying our societies. A quote that challenged or that changed the way I see our story by my dear friend, Yussi Klein Halevi. He says something very powerful. He said, the tragedy of the Middle East is that the Arabs made Israel the center of their identity, and Israel refused to play the role assigned to it. Wow. Think about this. It's so true. Arab regimes needed Israel to be the villain, because it distracted us from their corruption, from their failure, from their brutality. Israel became the excuse for everything. Unemployment, Israel. Dictatorship, Israel. Civil war, Israel. No democracy, Israel. No innovation, Israel. We blamed a country 600 times smaller than the Arab world for the collapse of an entire region. When identity becomes about hate, you lose yourself. In Morocco, we have a deep history. Amazigh, Arab, Jewish, African, Mediterranean. We are a mosaic, a civilization of hospitality and coexistence. But at a certain time, and unfortunately, the Arab nationalism imported from Cairo, from Damascus, from Baghdad, told us a different story. They told us that you are Arab first, you are Muslim first, but also you are anti-Israel before anything else. And slowly our authentic Moroccan identity was replaced by a borrowed anger. We forgot that Moroccan Jews lived with us for 2,000 years. We forgot that the Arab world expelled nearly 1 million Jews between 1948 and 1970. We forgot that our governments used the Palestinian cause as a shield to hide their own failure. My name is Mustafa Izergani, and if you want to hear more about Israel, the Arab world, Middle East, North Africa region, follow me. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Thank you.